Dine the Bemamo say Otawaso, 17 players, and Hassel folk at the two just say Omuntimino Monya Jumabim. The Dickine Richmond Atta. The Otosmi knew a Sheru Shaibo, and a year Richmond Aji, Samson or Kwame or Sabonsu. Now Kofi Agbesima, the captain, surprisingly, the D appeal listening. Samson or Thomas Winimi, and there were Leventos Atta, Zachariah Yakubu, Lenda Mtengi, Glad Utanga Mvu, and there were Issa Kuka, Salifu Ibrahim, Enoch Esubwantin, Suraj Seidu, Evans Adumakun, Nuruddin Abdul Aziz, and Salim Adams. Abranti Mekaya of Renew Biasin joining House of Folk. Even the first round of last season, Okopio Cincinnati and Sana Obe finished the season in the House of Folk in the second round. On also Asemesio, Asembe, Ghanaian lawyer, I have friend of John Kwame Kwesi, Esquire. Or no, and Mekase, or the House of Folk, team no call a court, say House of Folk, any players be ending the year, team no. Na want some. And I have said the Baba Mamu. One and a House of Folk, and celebration season, I 2024-2025 as now. Now House of Folk and send some more quarter or more 81 boo. Now, NSA. The TNSA and chair, and a year a House of Folk. A day players be a dimmer 2 one thing say, or Montimini or more any age might be. Now a players bay. Or her list by ya, a Yamakumako doing some 17 players. A be about 1 season. Even so, they've played almost 3 seasons. Naninano and then a House of Folk failed to give the public reason as to why they are terminating this player's contract. But omotimidi about one thing, so omotimidi contract. And the secret and the surprise aspect in the say, House of Folk has not met any of these players on management and on manager. And so omo they are told amount say omo the players in intimate and yet players benya ye the dini bema musisi. So na players and emubi ede krata akwa dan opinion friend John Kwame Kwesi Esquire or lawyer, a Ghanaian lawyer, have to say one of a say popular lawyers and some bomb more than pa. Now almost somebody akwa dan and say House of Folk any or more end in the year is and say the kind House of Folk intimate and no man say ending common and then tia almost services any needed because he say in the world of sports and especially football, these very issues can lead to one's contract being terminated. Again, player coach preferred formation can also lead to a player exiting because when I said this player doesn't fit my system into no also team for the player can go on loan or even leave permanently. Now none of this happened, and publicly we notice House of Folk and the players 17 without giving specific reason as to why they do not need these players. And on MP for no senior players of a list yami boy and a lawyer and say Omeka Omasemi be Emma Omo. Tiwan here now new season Babe Shasi now cry House of Folk Ninsam Equapimo court and San Ampono the Ghana Premier League no now yane a lawyer Kwame Kwesi Komono or confirm it nationalist TV said yes indeed he has received official complaint from these players and some of the players wants him to stand in for them, sue House of Folk on their behalf and say the club is disgracing them and the club is not treating them fairly. Omhune said they needed to at least sit around the table, then negotiate or talk. They need reasons as to why their services is no more needed in the club and Koyasa that surprisingly now the now case players time they call lawyer lawyer no considered in when say no correct because one say player you can't say oh yes surplus to requirement it will be very 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 difficult for you to even get a club either locally or foreign because no serious agent or football club would want your services because and mass specific because surplus requirement just say service also any for so you are nothing but a waste to the club. It is that kind of a year where some use doesn't help the players too. Say ultimately player contract. No one stated specific reason and also Emma a club a Bianca earlier on na n'eniji abranti and services hono will start questioning him because you've not been able to convince us you are that disciplined or not. The club could not also state as to whether you are this or that. In Tiano it will be questionable for them to at least take in a year or signature. The lawyer no consider all these things that players not jotted down man no. Omune say he'll have to come in. Now lawyer no so confirm say ya me no kre ade a has folk no kotoko ye no a kick na a backwards way of football administration because e say anytime biano you sign more than 15 players by the end of the season you sack more than 15 now I say you are repeating the wrongs that you have been doing. It is all that so pamo players are. Have you sat down one day to ask yourself, say, is it always the player's fault? And as a club, no, enna omo niema bi enkoye, entwa ye, entina omo lack that of quality ana. Just ended 2023-2024. Enna Asante Kotoko, epamo 23 players. They left away 23 players, including their own captain Dalad Ibrahim. Omangasa player friend or Rich Malamti Soko. They just went to a year and now Libya, Tanzania, and Ethiopia has been the greener pasture for these Ghanaian players because Scar I was say be on they are not being given at the end of the month. Sunny on field could have been Sanka, but in the course of the season they will either be tagged with one or two issues. Na ama Udino abe unpopular before the media or even the supporters. Now lawyer no confirm actually say yes. Exactly on Monday, 22nd July, he'll be heading to court to file a case against Asante Kotoko. And the case is that they are disgracing the local based players. They are making the players' career unpredicted, and some are even omo decision mo taking also is killing the future of talent in Ghana. And omo say it's about time say has to folk any Asante Kotoko ebetimi ejai that archaic style of football administration because ube pimo Ghana hana football administrators na also bebre na jedin. We have some who have more than 25 experience in club administration. Alhaji Karim what do you call it, King Faisal manager. We have Alhaji over there. We have Nana Fates over there. We have Mr. Nketia, former of Brekum Chelsea. We have George Jawumu now. These are football administrators that they have spent more than 2 decades. Oba Hasufoka, we have to go after the majority shareholder. He has been a fan of the club for so many years before coming to buy 75% of the shares and now majority shareholder. That should tell you say he knows in and out. But what is it that they are not doing right? They are quite say they are always branding themselves with the name club administrator, but they are not necessarily administrating the club and the players involved. And I think say lawyer no has confirmed this Monday he will be heading to the court to file a case against Accra House of Folk following the visit of some players or the Omudi Etuja House of Folk Omudi Etuja said they are no more needed in the club. So this is what is happening exactly with Accra House of Folk.